Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! What does the monkey have? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Tree. Have. Grass. Carrot. Conversation. Where's the monkey?
It's in the tree.
What does the monkey have?
It has a banana.
Where is the rabbit?
It's in the grass.
What does the rabbit have?
It has a carrot.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. Where's the monkey?
It's in the tree.
What does the monkey have?
It has a banana.
Where is the rabbit?
It's in the grass.
What does the rabbit have?
It has a carrot.
Word quiz. Grass. Have. Carrot. Tree. Conversation quiz. What did Lily say? Where's the monkey?
It's in the tree. It has a banana.
What did Max say? Where's the monkey? What does the monkey have?
It has a banana.
What did Lily say? What does the rabbit have?
It has a carrot. It's in the grass.
You did it! You were superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.